Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about creating or upgrading your Wix website and you'd love to cash in on some fantastic discounts, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add a discount or promo code on Wix in 2025. Plus, I'll let you know a secret about getting that 50% off, even without a code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get the very best price on your Wix premium plan, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Whether you're new to Wix or you manage a handful of sites, just head to Wix.com and use your email and password to sign in. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have multiple sites. You don't want to accidentally upgrade the wrong one. Once you're logged in, look for the Upgrade button within your dashboard. This might be located at the top or in your site management menu. It's usually pretty prominent. Go ahead and click on Upgrade, and this will take you right into the screen where you can compare the premium plans. If you've never poked around here before, take a minute to look at the different options. Now, something special pops up here. You'll notice at the very top, Wix often highlights special offers like a 14-day money-back guarantee, which is a nice safety net if you ever change your mind. Alongside that, there's likely a banner or notice about a time-limited promo, for example, a 3-day promotion offering 50% off selected premium plans. It changes throughout the year, but usually Wix is running some sort of deal. Let's get specific and try this out together. Imagine you want to upgrade to a business plan, which is perfect if you're looking to sell products or services right from your site. Click on Business and select your preferred plan. Now Wix is going to show you your billing options. They'll let you choose from monthly, yearly, 2-year, or even 3-year plans. This part's important. For yearly plans and anything longer, Wix typically applies that 50% discount automatically. It's right there in the price, so you don't have to hunt down or enter any promo codes. It makes things super simple and you get that big savings up front. But let's say you'd rather start with the monthly plan, maybe to test things out or because you don't want to commit long-term just yet. When you select the monthly billing option, something a little different happens. When you get to the summary page, you'll see an option that says something like Enter Promo Code. This is your place to shine if you've managed to snag a discount code. Click on that link, paste your code into the box, and hit Apply. You should immediately see the new, lower price reflected in your summary. That's really all there is to it. Whether the discount is automatically applied or you enter a promo code yourself, Wix makes it pretty easy to grab some extra savings. If you're taking the plunge into website building, every little bit counts, right? So I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and helped you grab a great deal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and let me know in the comments if you ran into any snags or have more Wix questions. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more step-by-step tech tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and good luck building your site.